Oh, this is a message. Start the computer.
Okay.
Oh, right,
Oh,
I
big
just
one.
put one in.
1.5. One hole and then a
One
broken
hole.
one, and then
Yeah,
break
just-
one.
Put a hole in and then bust the next one open. Well, it doesn't matter which way up they go. Just let the line run out and
We'll get ready to clip it
yeah,
on.
just hold your clip here. It'll run through there.
The orange mark.
There'll be no, yeah, somewhere near it. There he goes. He's away, brother. And there's another one. Okay, so you just have your clip in your hand, and then put your clip in your right hand. The orange mark's just a guide,
Yeah.
you know, just to get a rough idea. Yeah. It's like Sean P. That's not looking very flash, is it? You're right, Johnny.
Get him off, he says. No problem, right?